Hey guys, it's me Maddie and I'm back today for another video, and today I'm going to be doing just like the video I just did, and I'll link it down below. It was my What's in My Purse 2018 video, but I'm going to show you guys what's in my backpack for school 2018 video. And I actually got this new backpack, so if you guys are commenting down below, oh Maddie, you got a new backpack, yeah I did, because this backpack is like literally like... So, let's spill the tea. So, let's get on to this video. I'm going to start off with the whole entire backpack. I got this backpack from Target. I actually just got it delivered. It's the Maggiano Supply Co. It was originally $30, but I got it for $14, so there's a really good sale going on at Target.com, so if you order it and then I just ship it to your Target, it's free and it's just $15, so this is what it looks like. It's a camel backpack with some gold accents and the leather. So we're going to start off with this first pocket, which is the tiniest pocket. And inside it we have feminine supplies. We have glass cleaners because sometimes if my phone is dirty. I have some braces, rubber bands. I have some Advil. This is very good for school. And then I have two kinds of chapsticks. I have a chapstick, an Aloha coconut, Burt's Bees. Last thing but not least, I have some gum. You gotta keep your breath smelling good. So that's what I have in that pocket. Okay, moving on to the next pocket. I have two pockets. So there's like a laptop pocket, and then we have like the regular supplies pocket. So right here is where I usually keep my lunchbox, and then this last pocket that's up here, I'm going to be going into more depth in this pocket. It's the biggest pocket, so it's where I keep most of my actual school stuff. So there's two little pockets up here, and they're just like really cute built-in pockets. So I have my headphones in the bigger pocket, but yeah, I have my headphones, which are really nice. Next off, I have Hunger Games. This is my currently reading book. It's my book all dirty, but I'm reading this book. It's the Hunger Games, the original one, and I really am like. Next thing I have are some stickers. These are actually originally for my agenda, but there's just some weekend stickers in there, and I usually just give them to my friends and put them on my IDs, but I use them for my agenda, which is really nice.
Weird. I feel like somebody's watching me. Why would you feel like that?
And we have the immune system book. This is actually a library book that I got because I'm really into the immune system of the human body. And next I have my agenda. This is the best agenda ever. I totally recommend it. But yeah, they come with stickers and you could just mark the holidays and stuff, and it's like the best. I think it's so cute. And if you guys want to go get these agendas, it's called the 30 Commit Agenda, and they look like this. They sell it in green, blue, and pink, I think. And so they're really nice. And last, I have my math journal, and I keep most of my journals in here. I kept most of them at school because it's spring break, but just my math journal. And they have these little pockets over here for water and stuff. On the left pocket I have my stress ball because I get really bad anxiety at school, so I have a stress ball. And then on the right side I have my water bottle. So yeah, that's all I have in my backpack. I usually keep my phone in there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, go like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys later. And if you guys have any video ideas, just comment them down below because I'd love to make. Bye guys, I'll see you guys later.